result 1, which is homothetic functions produces linear expansion path, or rather homothetic production functions produces linear expansion path. The reason is pretty simple. Reason is, as we just noticed, that the slope, it doesn't change from a homogeneous function to a homothetic function. That means the equilibrium condition, it remains the same whether the function is homogeneous or homothetic. Okay. Result 2. All homogeneous functions are homothetic, but all homothetic functions are not homogeneous. Okay, so as I just said, in mathematics, if I'm writing not, then I just need to provide an example, and we have seen that example of a Cobb-Douglas transforming to a natural log 1. Okay, but for the first one, the proof is very simple. So for the first one, the proof is very simple. It's just a single sentence, and the sentence is that a homogeneous function is homothetic with the identity transformation, as we sometimes call it. So without writing identity transformation, you can write with the transformation, which is better actually, with the transformation H, which represents our homothetic, equal to Q, or yeah, H equal to Q. So identity transformation, basically I keep the same function. Okay, because that's a positive monitoring transformation always. So this is quite trivial. So that trivial scenario proves that all homogeneous functions are homothetic, and we have seen for the Cobb-Douglas one that this all homothetic functions are not homogeneous. Okay, now the topic of the next day is elasticity of substitution. Elasticity of substitution, and what this means in English is basically this: along an isoquant, there is an idea of substitution, or there is a power of substitution that is there for the form. But elasticity of substitution talks about the ease of substituting labor and capital. Okay, so that's what it basically means: ease of substitution, how easy it is for a firm to substitute capital and labor. And it so happens that this elasticity of substitution, it will give us the different shape of isoquants.